So the situation is, we don't know where we are, but we're looking for a waterfall. And we finally just given up and parked on the side of the road in the one spot that didn't have some shrubs in it, but it did have some mud in it. And now we're gonna go see if we can find that waterfall that's supposed to be somewhere around here. But we're not sure yet. Hey Megan, do you have any input?
Mud!
Mud!
Please don't go very far.
Bring them nuts!
What?
Oh, other people!
Other people? Where'd they park? Ask them where they parked. Jump! Does anybody know where we are, where we're going, or how to get back? Nope. None of these.
Follow the path.
Follow Mom, we'll make it.